Okay, so my name is Stephane Guilbert. I'm professor of food science at Montpellier Supagro, which is the Faculty of Agriculture of Montpellier. And I am also advisor for the question of sustainable food system and urban food system at the INRA, which is a French research institution for agricultural research. The title of my presentation today was about the foresight I've coordinated considering on the topic of the future of food system in cities. And the objective was to understand what kind of tools could be used in the future to reduce food waste in context of the cities and the evolution of cities and the evolution of food systems in the world, but mainly in developed countries. I can give some conclusion of this work. It was a foresight, is to say it's not a scientific study, but only a discussion which was made together with a group of experts and to assess what could be the important facts in the future which could interact with policies of reduction of waste. And the first conclusion is that it's very important to coordinate policies against food waste, for the reduction of food waste, with policy, traditional policy linked with health and environmental aspect and nutritional aspect also. The second conclusion is that it's much more difficult to promote policies for the prevention of food waste due to the fact that recycling food waste can create value and work and employment and activities, as prevention of food loss is often traduced by reduction of economical activity. That's also an important point to be considered. Else, I could say that, of course, waste reduction is not only a problem of policy of waste reduction, but it also interacts with diversification of food systems, with growth of new form of economy, such as circular economy or participative economy. And all these future trends interact, of course, with the policy of reduction of waste. And the last conclusion is that it's a fact that the only way to think a word shortage, not to think a work shortage or a world who lives above its capacity, is to promote circular economy, is to say a closing loop in economy, recycle waste and reuse waste, bio-waste. To take into account the emergence of new solidarities, it's to say that participative partage, sharing economy are of lot of importance for the future. And the last very important point is the necessity to optimize material flow, either food flow, but also packaging flow, for packaging is always associated with food, and mainly with the support of information and communication technologies, and especially with mobile apps. That's the major conclusion of that foresight.